Hey guys, welcome back. This is going to be series 5. We're going to make something awesome. I thought about today what we could do. We could create some kind of like a bug tracker. I don't know if you guys know what bug tracker is, but basically it means that somebody can post a problem and then somebody can post a solution and then you can check that it's been solved or not solved. That's pretty awesome, right? So I have no idea how we're going to do it because I'm going to start from scratch, but because we're all gonna rock and roll right now. Okay, so let's get started. We'll do everything so you can see it step by step. Hopefully we can do this within a good time period. That's the thing I'm concerned about as always, because look, we're already at a minute. Okay, let's get started. So first thing I'm gonna do, create a new app from scratch, guys. From scratch. I'm gonna go in here. I want a blank one. Remember, blank ones are automatically give username, password, login, all those things. Let's just get a color. What color are we gonna use? How about gold and how about that? That's cool. I like that one. Okay, bug tracker. And bug tracker is really good, especially if you're trying to solve problems and you like want to keep track of like things. So we know this is always gonna work. We have to do nothing here. But one thing I want to do is different here. Okay, we got full name, we got email, we got password. I think that's pretty good. We could add other things to it, but I think we don't need to because as soon as we launch this thing, it's already going to work. At a create a first username and password. First time we run this thing because we don't have a user. But I'm going to do it the old-fashioned way. Is actually just create one right now. So we're going to call this, how about the user at nowhere.com, and then okay, user. That's it. So I click preview. Boom. And you see how easy this is, guys. This is really easy. And if you really can follow me, you will see that something is so easy with this platform. Especially for those who are coders. And those that are not coders, it's also very easy. Just confirm that my account. I went to the wrong screen. I'm at the sign up screen. I want to be on the login screen. I'm there, guys. I'm there. I'm in the home screen. That's all we want first. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to set up something. So we need problem, solution. Let's do that first. We don't need to make it complicated. So we can call it either bug or problem. I'll call it problem. We'll call it problem, and we'll call it solutions. And we'll rename this one by going back over here, open it up to let it see there. We're going to rename this problems, all right, and solutions. And so that's pretty much. And then what we're going to do is when there's a okay, let's say that let's use the term ticket because people often use the word ticket. So we'll make a ticket. Ticket can have a problem and a solution. So we're going to go into tickets, add property. Okay, let's go to tickets, add property. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna change a little bit. What I want to do is just have one problem, one solution. Okay, so even though it's called problem solution, it's going to be one on one. So we're going to go over to our tickets, add property, problems. The problem can have multiple tickets, but ticket belongs to one problem. Okay, that's the problem. And then we're going to add, this is our relationship. So we're adding a relationship between these two things. So like saying that how is the problem related to the tickets and how is the solutions related to the ticket. The ticket is actually the thing that keeps track of both the problem and the solution in one place. And then the ticket, we're going to have some kind of we could have a user belong to it. Let's do that. So add relationship user. A user can have multiple tickets. Ticket belongs to one user. We're not going to share. We're going to we can change this word here to ticket user. Ticket user, and I'll put a space there. Make it easier to read. All right, boom, done. So now we've got these things going on, so we can go in here real quickly. Let me show you how easy this guys is. Let's start this create a problem. What's my problem? My problem is I cannot get it right. Oh, can't even type right. All right, can I get it right? Done. Solution. We don't need a name. Let's change it from name, because we can rename this to text. That's all we need. And then the problem, all we need is to be text, right? You notice I didn't add something there. If I look under tickets, I got problem and I got solution. Okay, yeah, that's good. All right. So you see how it says problem singular and it says solution singular. But if you look at the collection, you see solutions, you see problems, because a collection is plural, but a single item of a collection is singular usually. So problem, solution. That's all. Give you a good to know if actually you did your database relationship right. Okay, so it's one for every ticket. There's one problem, one solution. For now, later there can be multiple solutions for a ticket, but right now, I don't want to do that. All right, we'll stop right here. See. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully, this is getting interesting. It's going to be interesting, and it's going to be useful for you creating your own personal app and good experience. And I will try my best to give the details so that you don't leave yourself any kind of confusion. But if you like this video and you like the other videos, please like, subscribe, suggest, share, and I'll see you in the next video. Yeah.